This is letter A and the sound is A. This is letter B and the sound is B. This is letter C and the sound is K. This is letter D and the sound is D. This is letter E and the sound is A. This is letter F and the sound is F. This is letter G and the sound is G. This is letter H and the sound is H. This is letter I and the sound is A. This is letter J and the sound is J. J. A. J. A. J. J. A. J. J. A. J. A. J. Jam. Jam. J. A. J. Jam. This is letter J and the sound is J. This is letter A and the sound is A. J. A. J. J. A. J. Jam. This is letter J and the sound is J. This is letter E and the sound is A. J. A. J. A. J. T. Jet. J. A. Jet. 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 J. A. Jet. 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 This is letter J and the sound is J. This is letter I and the sound is A. J. A. J. A. J. J. A. J. B. 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 Jib. This is letter B and the sound is B. J. A. J. B. Jib. As we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, O, O. A, E, O, O. A, E, O, O. So we have blend J, J, G, J, J, like J, J, G, J, 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 G, J, J, like J, jam, J, J, jet, J, J, G, G, B, jib, and job, jug. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W w, X x x, Y y, Z z z. We have 5 vowels. They are very special. Why are they special? Because they have two sounds. One long sound, the same as its name, and a short sound. Let's say the long sound of vowels A, E, I, O, U. And now let's say the short sound of vowels